So this is something I created in DIALux and I want to share it with you. This is a balcony. I haven't designed the railing. I haven't designed it yet. So this is a small duplex villa. This is a balcony too, and a one over here. This is the main door. Okay. Now this is the drawing area. This is the drawing room. These stairs are created in AutoCAD. I have created them in AutoCAD and I have imported this model to DIALux. This is really hard. This way we'll change the viewpoint and we'll go to the ground floor. First we'll see the ground floor, then we'll go to the first floor. So as you can see, this is the kitchen and dining area. And this is the utility area. This is servants room or servants quarters. This is a common toilet, this one. Since this is the drawing room, so this is a common toilet. And this is a garden, indoor garden area. I haven't placed flowers. There are flowers on both these sides. Okay. Apart from this house, there is also a garden area outside which I have not designed, but for now this is what I have completed. This is a toilet for the servant, and this is servant's utility. So the servant room is here. They move like this, and they use their utility and toilet, and this is guests. Now let us go to the first floor. So this is how we come to first floor via stairs. Let's see how I have designed this lightings. Almost perfect. Almost the entire house is perfectly designed. These are the rooms. This view is not really comfortable to view. So this is children bedroom. Okay. So this is a almirah, a window, a bed. I haven't placed textures on this one. I have to place the textures of cloth textures. But these textures, I found them online for free, so I placed them. Now this room is over. CBR, children bedroom, toilet, corridor, office room. The lighting in the office room is 5K, corridor is 5K, children bedroom is 3K, toilet is 3K, all toilets are 3K, bedrooms are 3K. This is guest bedroom. This is guest bedroom. So see, this is guest bedroom. As you can see, the lighting is adequate, sufficient, well distributed, not too harsh on the eye, not too bright, not too dull. It's just well designed. It's just well designed. And this is the master bedroom. And see the evenness of the lighting. There are no dark areas. There are no dark areas. So this is a hallmark of a good lighting design. So if we go in here into the, I haven't designed the cupboards. I've only designed a placeholder. But as you can see, even here there is adequate lighting. And this is a texture for a. This is a texture for a marble flooring, which I found online. And I'm using it. So let's get into the technical details. As you can see, everything is green. Everything is green. Okay. So let us do first floor first. Let us do first floor first. So the desired lux level in children bedroom is 150. The one we have provided is 153, just 3 lux excess. And the distribution is adequate, 0.52, which is good distribution for this room because the requirement is only 0.4. Next, we go to the toilet. So this is the, we are using 4 fixtures here. The required lux level is 200 and the actual lux level is 249. So there is a dark spot in this corner, but this won't be a major, it won't have major impact because in the daytime there is a window here, so this light will enter through this window. And mostly in the toilet, this area is what is most important. See, the maximum is, this is where there will be a shower or something, so this is the most important area and there is adequate lighting there. Next, let us go to the corridor. So this is the corridor. It's an odd shaped corridor, so it took some time to design this. Nevertheless, flux level needed 500, flux level, actual flux level is 521, spread is 0.61, requirement is 0.6. And where is the dark spot? There is one dark spot in this extreme corner. And maxima, yeah, maxima is right at the center where the staircase is, because this is where most of the lighting is required, because people will be climbing up and going down, so they have to have good visibility in this area. Next, let us go to the guest bedroom. Guest bedroom, yes. Required lux level 150, attained lux level 155, required spread 0.4, spread attained is 0.58. Likewise, here in the toilet. So this is the master bedroom. Here there is a shelf, so I have excluded the shelf from the lighting calculation area, because what happens, it'll show it'll give a very poor distribution, because the light will not go under this almirah, obviously at the height of 0.8 meters. So everything is to specification. Everything is to specification. 200, 253, 0.82. Then coming to office. In the office, the last one in the office. In the office, required lux level is 500, because there will be detailed work, writing, reading. 500 lux is required. Provided is 586. Spread is 0.75, which is pretty good for an office, which for office requires 0.6, but we have given 0.75. So, and in similar fashion, you can see in the ground floor also everything is green. So 200 is required, 256 is given, spread is 0.84, required 0.4. Here same thing, 200, 275, 0.4 required, 0.43 given. Here indoor garden, this area, required lux level 100, given 140, spread required 0.4, spread attained 0.74. So this is how calculations are done meticulously, meeting the requirements for us for the specific rooms. So every room is carefully designed. The required lux is 300, the lux which is provided is 375, the spread, everything is taken into account. Even these minima and maxima are checked, so that nothing, the dark spots doesn't appear in the center of the room. So this is how very detailed and careful work is done. So that is pretty much it. Now let's go to 3D. So this is the 3D model which I created. A thorough job.